Hello, today I'm in a 2015 Hyundai Tucson, and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the vehicle's Bluetooth. So first you want the vehicle on. Just wait for a moment for this to populate. And then from here we'll do setup. And then phone. And then it's going to have prompts here to try to connect to, I don't have an iPhone, and it's probably one that was previously connected, so we're going to do add new. And then since it's got a max amount of phones already connected, we'll have to delete one, so yes. We'll just delete that iPhone. And it's gone. So now we're going to add new again. And then
turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search.
So every device is different, but you want that blue thing highlighted and be in
on
the
your
Bluetooth
device,
menu.
select the device
And
name
we'll
that
hit
matches
scan.
car name on the screen.
And then it should pop up Tucson on your phone device for this, whatever it says on your dash. It's probably going to be this one here. And sometimes it takes a few tries, whether it's restarting your car or restarting your phone. No big deal. Alright, so then it is connecting, so we're going to confirm here. And then that's pretty much it. Hit OK.
The contact download is starting. Some phones require additional confirmation. Please check your phone and confirm the download if necessary.
Alright, so that's pretty much it. And then you can also try to do all the connections to those voice controls as well, if for some reason you don't want to use those buttons we just walked through. But that's it. I hope this video was helpful and hope people want to